What's up guys, my name is Josiah Fillets at FDF Race Shop and I'm going to show you around our new place. Hey guys, this is the new storefront of our new shop. So this is our new entryway. It's big enough to swing a cat around in it. And what we're gonna be doing is painting all the walls black, get some nice wall lighting, have some cabinets with all of our parts on the walls on display. We're gonna have all of our apparel underneath with glass cabinets. And yeah, it's gonna be a nice, welcoming place to be. All right, let's walk into the shop. The shipping department at our old shop was really small, really hard to move around, and with the increase in employees, we've really needed to make a much larger area. So we've made a 25-foot work table with another work table in the center that's gonna have our vices. We can tap, we can thread, we can do all kinds of stuff to the products as we assemble the kits. Yeah. This is our bolt bin setup that I was talking about. We've got our metric and we've got our imperial for assembling all the kits. Some of them use both, some of them use more than others, but it's easily accessible with nice labels. It's great. So for the inventory, we've really needed to expand that as well because the demand in parts has caused a backlog in orders, meaning we build these kits, we try to keep them in stock, but we're never able to keep up. So now that we have the workforce behind us with enough employees to build these products, we needed a place to put all this stuff after we box it up. So we've bought all these racks. We've got all this space delegated just to inventory, so we can easily set things up, organize it, label it, and get it out to you quickly. Our fabrication department consists of two main guys, Cam and Alec. With Cam and Alec building every day, 8 hours a day, we had to get them welding ventilation systems. We got them new welders. We've got our lathe, we've got our mill, we've got our brake press, and we've got our work tables to put these kits together in the way that they were designed. The majority of them is CNC machine parts paired with water jet cut parts, and putting them all together the way I designed, it requires two guys working all day. With the expansion of the shop, we had to update some of the equipment to suit our larger production needs. So we got these welding vents, make sure everyone's breathing fresh air. So 3 months ago, we actually got our water jet table, set it all up in this shop without actually moving. We've been using it for 3 months, and this machine is sick. It uses 50,000 PSI of water mixed with sand to cut anything up to 8 inches thick steel. We can use this to cut aluminum, plastic, steel, alloy steel, anything that you can think of, because it doesn't need to be a conductive material in order to cut it. It just uses water, pressure, and sand. We've been able to use this machine to cut all of our products in-house. We no longer need to outsource any laser cutting or anything like that. And it's really made a change in the turnaround time, the quality that we can control, and overall giving us the product that we want to give to you. Along with everything that we already have, we're also going to expand in our CNC department. We currently outsource a lot of our CNC machine work to our local machine shops, but having done that for a couple years now, we're going to bring that in-house as well and make sure that everything is done under one roof. For the majority of what we make, everything is already done. We just get little pieces like weld-on bungs and brackets that are part of the kit, but not the full kit. And we put them together ourselves, but if we can eliminate that one step and do it all in-house, that's gonna be really key for us. For all the years that we've been making these products, we haven't been able to powder coat in-house because of space restrictions. That has finally changed. We actually kept our old shop and turned it into our full powder coating area. So starting sometime in January and going on from there, we're gonna be powder coating all of our own products as well. We can manage the quality a lot better, we can turn around custom colors a lot faster, and everything's gonna be up to our standard. Thanks for watching this video, guys. And from here on out, we're actually gonna be expanding a lot into the social media and YouTube market. We're gonna plan on putting out 2 to 3 videos per week, not just covering what our products are and installations, we're gonna be doing those as well, but we're also gonna be doing just daily tasks and vlogs for you guys to watch. So like, follow, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Check us out on Instagram if you wanna see updated products, and continue to watch our company grow. For everything, it's easy to pull out and pull whatever out. Ready? You want me to talk? Yeah.